the reason you want to optimize your Instagram page is because you want to make sure that when you send traffic there as a fitness coach and people land there, they know exactly, they feel like you can help them. And somebody asked me a question, they said, well, is it really that important? Yes, absolutely it is. Think of it this way, if you had the intention of going Selfridges, but you showed up there and there was no board on the front door, but turns out when you stepped in it was Primark or Zara, you will be disappointed, like, why am I wasting my time? And so it's very important, like your front cover, your front page is optimized and it speaks to your ideal customer. So number one, you want to make sure that your display picture is very friendly, where people want to talk to you, right? Number two, next to it, you want to make sure that it clearly states that what you specialize in. So if you're a fat loss specialist, put that, or whatever it is, right? Number three, your bio underneath it. Now, you want to put who it is that you help. So if you help men, write that. If you help women, write that. What result do you get them and how do you get them in? Now, ideally, you want to kind of do that in 2 sentences. And to start with, don't overthink it, because you're going to be like, oh, well, should I put this or should I put that? Eventually, then you're going to realize, oh, no, by the way, I should just get it going. That's the key, is just to get it going, right? And once you get it going, then always you can refine it and tweak it later on. You want to also make sure that your call to action is not like some big Linktree thing or, where you send them to lots of pages. Ideally, you want to just send them to one call to action. Or you can just say DM me the word fat loss or coach or whatever. Lastly, three more. So then under it, your top 3 pin post. The first one, you want to have my story. People always forget that. The reason why that's important is so people can connect with you and they want to know that if I'm going to spend money with this coach, who is this person? What have they been through? So it'd be good to put a my story post. You can put a reel, or you can put a carousel, a 10 slide carousel or whatever it is. But again, I don't want you to overthink these things, because these things, you do get better with them over time. But the key at the start is just to basically get going. And then in the middle, it's who do you help? So more about your coaching and your one-to-one service. So, you can just go on my page and, you can copy that, or you can pretty much go and research the top 3-4 fitness coaches in the industry and see how they're doing it, and then add your story to it. Of course, I'm not making it sound really, really simple. There is obviously a skill behind it, which is copywriting and making sure that you can get your story across in a really, really good way. But now, if this is something you need help with, of course you can message me. But I'm just giving you something where you can just get going straight away. And then the last thing is you want to make sure is your last pin post shares your case studies and testimonials and who you have helped. So more like proof related. Now, if you don't have any proof, now surely you've got results yourself, and then just put that there. Now, apart from that, then the next thing you really need to do is just to make sure that the content that you're posting, now go and watch the video I posted yesterday, which is you want to make sure the content you post is educational, relatable, see what's trending, a bit of that, and then also, it was one more, I can't remember. But the point is that you're going to first just post everything, test, and then after month 2, whichever one works best, you're going to double down on them 3, 4. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. Now, if this is something you do need help with, you can come and see me here at my Manchester office, where I will sit down with you face to face and see exactly what the constraints are in your business and help you put a plan together, personalized to you, to help you grow your online fitness coaching business.